Welcome back to the Nature Channel. And today,
we're
we're going to be looking
kind of sweaty
for a quadruple deckered poo. Let's get right into the video.
That's a good way of describing it, not gonna lie.
Describing what?
Describing a triple decker poo.
No, the quadruple deckered poo.
Oh. The quadruple decker poo.
No, I just switched it. Today we're going to be looking for the quintuple deckered poo. They're super rare. There's only 100 left in the wild.
Go to the YouTube channel, and you'll see that there's a mark right there.
From me dropping my phone last time we were here. Yes. But nobody's a fan of this YouTube channel. Except for me and Johnny. And for some reason, I have these fake gold chains on. Because I was doing something. We must find the bunker before the two universes collide. One universe is Fortnite, and those players are gonna be riding their sharks out of the storm. And then the other universe is Apex, and those Gibraltars are gonna be running out to the orange juice. Not crazy.
I never knew that whenever it's raining, it rains water. I thought it rained tacos.
Oh yeah, that's weird. I thought it rained M&Ms.
Yeah, M&M and tacos.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop using that fake voice now.
Hey, Needle Tree.
The Nature Channel Part 2.
I like how the rain.
Looking for the quintuple deckered poo. That's not actually what this video is about. I just made that up to sound funny.
No, we should call it the Not So Nature Channel.
Yeah, the bunker. Oh my god! This is where we take cover from the sweaty soccer skins and the sweaty wraiths. Cause in one universe, in one universe, when the two universes collide,
I was like,
when the two universes collide,
So,
guys, one side will be the sweaty soccer skins from Fortnite running out of the storm, and the other universe will be the sweaty wraiths running out of the oranges.
he went to David.
Oh my god, look at this sick bunker.
We heard you.
Guys, we gotta hide from the sweaty wraiths and the sweaty soccer skins. Oh my god, this is so scary.
I think I hear someone.
Yeah, I saw.
We reunite once again.
saw-
What the heck? What the heck?
This is the wild call of the quintuple deckered poo.
I think we might want to take cover. Wait, everyone be quiet so they can hear the rain. I say we take cover, guys.
Guys,
Just for like 4 minutes.
after it stops raining, the two worlds will collide.
I really don't want to get wet, but we should probably get home now.
Well, then I actually kind of do want to go ahead.
Yeah, I do want to get wet also. Because my clothes are all sweaty.
Guys, 5 minutes after it starts pouring, the two universes will collide with the sweaty soccer skins and the sweaty wraiths. Wait, looking for what?
My sister.
They probably went home.
It's fun anyway. Yeah, there's like
Look at my sick. Listen to my sick beatboxing. So sick, right? Guys, why are we going away from the bunker, huh? I'm so confused.
My mom if we can stay up super late tonight because it's the last day.
Yeah.
Guys, what are we gonna do when the two universes collide? With the sweaty soccer skins and the sweaty wraiths? Yeah. Yeah, but there's sweaty soccer skins and sweaty wraiths running out of the storm in the orange juice. What's more?
They're even gonna chase us through the storm to get.
Yeah, what's more scary than that? Oh my gosh, he opened the electric box!
Guys, look! Literally, I just broke the lock. close. Keep it close.
Dude, no. Dude, guys, run.
I just broke the law. You're supposed to keep it closed.
Yeah, what if rain gets on it and it freaking explodes? It could freaking explode.
Oh, I didn't mean to open it.
Oh my god. Don't do it. Guys, I see a sweaty soccer skin. Guys, we better get going before the sweaty race come. Oh my god, it's a sweaty soccer skin.
I know a place we haven't explored.
Then I start 360 back to you.
Oh my god, no.
No, we're not going back home.
Boom, bitty,
I still can't believe I literally just accidentally opened that.
It was probably already unlocked, but
I just hit it and I heard it. Okay, Zach, let's get out of here. Well, let's go this way because I think they might be that way. I don't really think they know about this place.
Where are we going?
they
Just
probably
wherever
went
we want.
home.
Choose. Maybe we should go in there.
Dude, leave in the comments, but just kidding.
Share, make sure to like, smash the
Leave in the comments below if Shrek should eat more creamy cerole cheesecake.
Creme,
Whatever you call it.
creme cheesecake, cerole.
Shrek should eat you. I think he would enjoy your body. No, don't care.
Leave in the comments below if Shrek should still eat eating the creamy cerole cheesecake.
Emergency cheesecake.
Well, are we lost?
Okay. No, we're not lost.
Creamy cerole cheesecake.
Yeah, we got the cheesecake.
No, we didn't.
Oh, guys, where's the TP?
Wrong, sir. Have patience.
Oh no.
Guys,
Well, by the way, the teepee's right over there, dum dum.
there's a huge spider like in Kong Island, Skull Island.
Oh, you watch Kong Skull Island?
Yeah, it's so good.
I want to watch it.
Have you, Ashley?
Oh yeah.
I want to watch it, but I always forget. I watched like part of it, and the first part was boring, and then so I stopped watching it.
Yeah, I watched it by myself at my grandma's house when I was like probably like Matthew's age. Well,
It came out in
no, not
2017.
The creamy cerole cheesecake.
Like right when it came out, 'cause my grandma likes Godzilla and King Kong and stuff.
Wait, she does? I never knew that. She likes Godzilla?
He had like every single King Kong movie taped at the
Yeah, I know King Kong, but I never knew Godzilla.
Wait, did you guys watch it with me? We watched Godzilla King of the Monsters.
I watched the original King Kong. It's scary. I mean, it was scary for me when I was like 5 because of those weird zombies.
In the beginning scene of like what Kong Skull Island,
Yeah.
when
Whenever they got
yeah, when
bad.
they got trapped, I was like, ooh.
Yeah, it was scary. It creeped me out whenever Kong put his hand next to them. I was like,
Next they're making what's called like Kong versus Godzilla, right?
I really wanted to see them.
No, guys, you know what the best Godzilla movie is? Godzilla versus Cosmic Monster. Oh my god.
Yeah, like the old one.
Yeah, the super old ones?
Yeah, the ones that look like dolls. Guys, is that them?
You never even seen that.
Is that them?
No, the best movie is Kazam.
Kazam? What the frick is Kazam? Oh yeah, Kazam. You haven't watched either of those, so shut your mouth hole.
And guys, and if you search up God on what was it?
On a Fire TV, then Blippi will come up. Blippi is God confirmed. Try this at home. If you have a Fire TV, a TV with the fire.
It's not the TV. It's like you know the channel we were watching, like
No, we weren't on a channel. That's the TV. You can just.
Netflix or something, like Habuga.
I think it was like something on Amazon Prime. But if you search up God, then Blippi will come up. So Blippi is God confirmed. Blippi is God confirmed. Yeah, so go on like Amazon Prime or Fire TV and search up God, and then Blippi will be the first thing that pops up. Oh yeah. So Blippi is God confirmed. Okay, when I get home, I'm gonna make another YouTube video proving that Blippi is God.
Well, it was, I saw it a lot. Oh, now I remember. Wait, why do y'all want to go back home?
We're not. I said when I get back home, I'm gonna prove that Blippi is God. Blippi is God confirmed.
Where are they going?
Non-confirmed weirdie.
No, because if you search up God, then Blippi comes up.
You want to go?
Like on Fire TV. Oh my gosh. Blippi is God confirmed.
For
The 10 minutes.
10-minute vlog.
Who's gonna watch 10 minutes of just us walking through the woods talking about creamy cereal cheesecake
Like 2 days
and
ago, we did for, like,
how
30
Blippi is God?
Stop being a weirdo.
But
Don't
Fire
look,
TV,
guys.
but Fire TV doesn't lie.
Whoa,
Kinda
Johnny,
don't
peek
lie.
through that too. Don't look.
Just kidding. Blippi's not God,
Exactly, you were just joking.
Blippi is God confirmed.
and I'm not gonna make a YouTube video called Blippi is God confirmed. But still, you should try it at home.
Video will be God confirmed.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna make it.
Wait, this
But you
might
should
be
still
our
try
last
it. It's really
vid
funny.
together. This might be our last vid together. Wait, no, but y'all
Yeah.
might come to Texas in like a week. Remember, y'all might come.
It's a big maybe. Probably.
It's a
Our mom was
big
probably gonna say
maybe.
Next week, so we would forget about it and stop asking, and then next week.
No, but
would
she
say no.
wants to. It's just I don't know if she
Well,
can.
yeah, she does want to, but I just don't think
We just
she'd
know-
pay it. No.
Yeah. Maybe. Just maybe.
Yeah, this is our last video together. I'll make a goodbye video. Goodbye.
Let's make it really long. Let's make it like an hour long. That'd be funny.
The goodbye video?
And we can go back and show the Injustice 2 gameplay.
No, let's make this an hour long. So if whenever I'm riding back from the RV, I can actually watch something and remember this.
Dude, I don't think my phone battery is gonna last an hour.
Well, then we'll just make another one after you charge it.
Or I could take out my phone and record a video and then send it to you.
It's so annoying because my phone, my microphone doesn't work on it.
Yeah, that's why I just make a video and send it to you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, speaking of phone battery, I was playing this one game on my phone and it's like phone battery is low. And that reminded me of it. It's called Shadowfight 2. You should definitely play it.
Oh, and no sponsor.
Yeah, no sponsor. This isn't a sponsor.
But
gonna get
Shadowfight 2
sponsored for 2
is pretty pay to
subscribers.
win, so
Kind.
keep that in mind.
Imagine if we get a sponsor and we have 2 subscribers on this channel.
Bruh.
That'd be so fun.
I repeat, this is not a sponsor. I'm just saying you should play it because it's fun.
You get like 5 views.
This gets 1 view, which was me. We get a sponsor. We get a sponsor for the creamy settle that cheesecake.
Probably not gonna get even 10 views.
Johnny, it gets 1 view, which was the people who make the creamy settle that cheesecake. And then our next video is sponsored by them.
Mr. Beast gets sponsored $100,000 to $250,000 forever.
Yeah, and it's always honey, but which I'm not complaining about.
I mean,
Guys, I see a sweaty soccer skin.
Oh,
We gotta get running. Oh my god, there's a sweaty soccer skin sitting right there. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, there's a sweaty Gibraltar. There's a sweaty Gibraltar, guys.
Killed by Gibraltar because you're like, you really.
No, that's caustic. That's caustic run.
Dude, I hate getting killed by Revenant or Gibraltar because they're always like, you really thought you could kill me, brother? Try again next time. Then Revenant's like,
It's a Junkrat. It's a
just another
Junkrat.
easy kill.
It's a Tracer.
It's so annoying.
Well,
and the
for
most-
Gibraltar, it's like you really did.
The most
kill me.
annoying thing is whenever you knock the person that killed you, and then they knock you, but they get rezzed, and then they kill you.
Yeah, and then they finish.
Yeah,
But
so
also,
annoying.
the most annoying thing in Overwatch is whenever you're playing Widow and there's a Tracer on the other
Why are we
team.
even talking about?
Why are you talking about Overwatch if nobody here plays it?
And
Except for you.
It's not really that bad of a
he plays Overwatch.
It's okay. It's
And-
just, it gets boring.
And
Well, yeah.
and there's a Tracer and they
just kinda
and
like-
the
And then these little creamy settle like
and
cheesecakes
they-
at you.
And then the Tracer comes behind you as a Widow, and she's like, "What you looking at, Leo?" And you know, oh shoot, I'm about to die.
Johnny, it's like you get killed by a revenant, and the revenant was 1 HP, and he's like, another easy kill.
Yeah.
And all his ammo is gone. Another easy kill.
It's like you had a Spitfire, he just went mag after mag. Just trying to spray you from halfway across
That
the
way
map.
and go straight. Because I remember that.
And then his teammate sniped you when you were like, his teammate sniped you, and it got you
Look at your
super
phone.
low, and then he just managed to hit one shot with his Spitfire. And like,
Exactly.
I'm gonna have to end this pretty soon because my phone battery
There are
is
people that all
dying.
who watch all of these videos.
You and Ethan.
I don't
And
think
me.
I don't think anyone's actually gonna finish this whole vlog. Imagine if actually someone does. Imagine if someone skips to this part, like this part exactly.
yeah, the weird thing about SGTV though is that, or Skyman or Dad, or whatever you want to call it, is that you turn the comments off on his videos.
No, he said it's just YouTube.
Oh yeah. Actually, yeah, it's just YouTube because if like your channel is a kids channel,
Yeah.
then the comments just get turned
Nobody wants they don't want anybody doing bad stuff. So
Wait, what the heck? So is that why the comments are turned off on my videos?
off. No, your comments aren't turned off because I don't think YouTube even knows about your channel.
Yeah, but then some of my videos comments are turned off, and
And so
it's weird. And it's like if I make a new video, then like the next day comments will be turned off, and it's really weird. Except for one video, a robber's bad day. Ethan commented on it. I don't.
Oh, wait, what did he comment?
he said
He comments, "What the heck?"
he said he didn't understand.
He didn't really understand what was going on.
I think it was pretty self-explanatory. My fault was really
I'm
quick.
sure people put boards on this.
Oh my gosh, it's like a.
I remember we used to climb to the end of this and then jump off. Hey guys,
My
I'm
video-
gonna do an epic trick with the blow.
Dude, are these nailed in?
Wait, actually film him. Look.
Dude, these are nailed in.
He's doing an epic trick for the vlog.
This is.
It's gonna break!
Oh my gosh! Did you get that?
Look at my toe! Look at my toe! Look at my toe!
Oh my
God! Are you okay? Just blow my toe!
I'm actually totally fine.
Blow! Dad!
My heart is beating so fast.
Luckily my shoes are big. Because if they weren't big,
The only thing that
all
I'm
my
scared about
toes
is that I
were
might
broken.
run.
Dude, I can't believe somebody took the time to nail these in, and then we just broke it.
They're gonna be like, bruh.
They're just gonna be like, oh my god, who broke this? This took so long. Breaks again? Oh my gosh.
120 pounds, right? Something like that.
Dude, it's like they probably spend like hours and they just come back and they're like,
Wait, did
serious?
you get that on camera?
Yes, I got that on camera.
Oh my god!
You're like, it's gonna break, and I thought you were just like saying that, and then it just went, and I was still on it.
No, because I was like, this clap.
I thought I was gonna die when that broke.
People are gonna think that it was
I thought I was gonna die.
You thought you were gonna die, Zach?
I thought this was gonna break. It would just go
Worry
over.
about me, just worry about yourself.
Oh my gosh.
And this is not clickbait. Like, people are gonna think it's clickbait, but, like,
This is not clickbait.
Guys, we literally just...
Ah!
Again?
I don't have the editing skills to make clickbait.
Dude, we literally just broke a tree. We're
In
not
half.
We just broke a tree in half.
Well, it was probably a rotten tree. It was probably a rotten tree.
Still, that looks pretty fresh.
What?
It's only...
No, like a tree, like a rotten tree. I don't know what to call it. It's
They
just
got decomposed.
like a dead tree, a dead tree.
They got decomposed.
Yeah, a rotting.
Was this
Oh, yeah.
the one that fell next to you? No, it's way bigger. Where is it?
One of them fell next to him.
It was like thicker than this.
There was a huge
Yeah,
stone.
oh
and he
yeah,
was coming back
I have
home.
a cool story. I remember when I was like 5. You know how there used to be a big tree blocking the path and we just have to climb it?
Yeah.
Well, whenever
How did we get out?
it was super windy. I'll show you. It was super windy that day, and I was just coming home, and then I hear a creak, and I stop. I'm like, what was that? And then I see, like, it looked like a movie, and this was ripping, but like slowly. And I'm like, oh my gosh! And
Was it that
falls.
huge tree?
Yeah, and it was like a huge. It was the big one. It was like thicker than that one, and it vibrated the grounds. And dude, there was a stick by me, and it went. The stick went. It was crazy.
It
And
wasn't that big.
I was like,
Wait, when it crashed, that happened?
yeah, and then I don't know where. This is not it for sure.
Yeah.
Wait,
It crashed, and I was like 20 feet away from it. Bro, I ran home. I was so scared. Remember whenever this was how we left the place? How we left the woods?
I do not remember that.
What? No, we would leave this way.
I don't want to get back on this.
It was this way for sure.
That way for all of the times.
Why did David and Iad leave?
Yeah, I don't know. Probably because it was
They would be on this.
David's probably buzzing Iad about 1v1ing on Apex.
Dude, Iad would probably be standing on this and David, and then it would crash.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because he has a noodle stick.
Can't go this way now.
Do you guys just want to go home?
Yeah, we should probably.
I'm going to end the video now, so...
Wait, I want to say my goodbyes.
Bye! Like and subscribe! And
Bye.
smash that like button, but don't smash it too hard. And smash that subscribe
Yeah, do
button,
not break it.
but don't smash it too hard.
Do not break the iPad, man.
Yeah, Ethan, don't smash the subscribe button.
Guys,
I know you're the only one watching.
Ethan's already subscribed. Guys, what if do you dare me to go to the end of that?
He just did.
Right there?
No.
No, right there.
Are you still filming this?
Yes.
No,
I thought.
It's gonna break. It's gonna
No, I'll do it.
Okay. No, just film me.
No, I got it.
No, just film me. I want to do it. Oh
Do
my
it for
god.
the boys. Then you can
No,
do
Maddie,
it.
it's loose. The tree's loose. Don't do it, Maddie. Maddie, stop. The tree's loose.
And done.
Like,
That wasn't.
I couldn't do it all the way because it was super loose.
Okay, let's
Yeah, I'll film.
No, I can film it.
ended the vid.
It's the first person POV. Yeah, never mind. I'm gonna go a little bit farther just so that I'm brave. I'm not brave at all. Don't even think I'm brave. Anybody who's watching this, I get scared on roller coasters and stuff really quickly. I have a big fear of heights. And I know that if I fell, I would just roll and probably get a scraped knee, but nobody wants to get mud. Nobody wants to get mud and get a scraped
So
knee.
we were trying to film that video in my ripstick. We're going down that rough driveway, and then the slope, and I fell off, and I was bleeding.
Yeah, so guys, this is what happened. Maybe in the future maybe when I post a lot of videos, I'll post a video of failed videos that we couldn't upload.
Wait,
But
you still have the.
yeah, it's still in my photos thing, so I can just recover it. But unless it gets too old and deletes.
Recover it.
But so there's a game called Skate, which is like
Horse.
skateboards, but with like Horse, the basketball game. It's like a skateboard version of that. And Johnny had a rib stick, and I had a skateboard. So I'm like, let's play Poopy, because Poopy is the same amount of letters as Skate. Because I couldn't think of a rib stick and a skateboard name for a game. So we were playing it, and we have a driveway. So I rode my skateboard down the driveway.
And at the end,
And then so what happens is you do something like a trick, and then the other person has to copy that. But I had a skateboard, he had a ripstick.
The skateboard can withstand that, but not the ripstick.
Yeah, so I rode down the driveway, and I thought that Johnny was gonna survive, but his ripstick, it hit the curb, and he got a scraped knee.
Fine. I was doing well, but so the slope was fine. It's just there was like.
Yeah, the curb part.
So there's a slope, and then there's that black stuff that they had to pave, and that's what hit the ripstick.
Where'd Ahmed go?
yeah, that's
Okay, I was supposed to end this like. Where?
Yeah,
Josh,
let's end
up.
it. Let's end it.
Gotta get it on camera.
After we see this code.
Where the frick did it go? I was supposed to end this like 4 minutes ago. But things got interesting.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Yeah,
let's just
okay.
Bye.
Goodbye. Smash that like and subscribe button, but not too hard.
Yeah, not too.
Not too hard, and don't break your phone or your iPad or
Like everyone else.
PC.
Or your computer.
Don't break your mouse. Or yeah, whatever
No, it's right there. So.
whatever thing you're on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, which you won't, because no one's watching this. Okay.
Literally
and
no one's
Bye.